This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to revoke MetaMask access. It's crucial to understand that when you connect your MetaMask wallet to a decentralized application, or DApp, you often grant it permission to interact with your funds. Over time, you might connect to many DApps, some of which you no longer use. Revoking these permissions is a vital step to protect your assets and maintain your wallet's security. Let's dive into how you can do this effectively. One effective way to revoke access is by using a token approval checker. Websites like Etherscan or BSC Scan offer tools where you can connect your MetaMask wallet. Once connected, these tools display all the token allowances you've granted to various DApps. You can then easily identify and revoke specific permissions directly from their interface, giving you clear control over your wallet's security. This method is very straightforward. You can also manage and revoke permissions directly within your MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask extension and look for the Connected Sites or Privacy and Security section in the settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the DApps your wallet is currently connected to. You can then choose to disconnect from individual applications one by one. This provides a convenient way to clean up your connections without leaving your wallet interface. To keep your wallet secure, make it a habit to regularly review and revoke access for any DApps you no longer use. Always exercise caution when connecting to new applications, and double-check the website URL to avoid phishing scams. By proactively managing your permissions, you significantly reduce potential risks. Staying vigilant is key to protecting your digital assets in the decentralized world. Keep your wallet safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.